Hello, my family members. As you all know that TCS NQT is going to conduct their exam. So we are here with a very important coding question that was most repeatedly asked question in the any off-campus on-campus exam. So not only for TCS, it is also asked in Infosys, also asked in Wipro, also asked in Cognizant as well, right? So give importance to today's session. Before starting the question, I will obviously request you to please subscribe this channel and watch the playlist regarding TCS NQT previous year question. Okay, let's start the question. The question is, an automobile company manufactures both a two-wheeler and a four-wheeler. A company manager wants to make the production of both types of vehicle according to the given data. First data, total number of vehicles, two-wheeler plus four-wheeler is equal to V. Second data, total number of wheels is equal to W, right? The task is to find how many two-wheelers as well as four-wheelers need to manufacture as per the given data, right? And the sample input is 200, that is total value of vehicle V, right? They want to manufacture 200 vehicles and they have 540 wheels, right? So how many two wheels two wheeler and how many four wheeler they can they can manufacture, you have to calculate that, right? So there are output like 130 two wheeler and 74 wheeler, right? And the constraints are these, right? This should be followed, otherwise the program will print invalid input, right? And the explanation they gave like this, but uh, what I will suggest you to watch this. I have written this that the maximum wheels needed, that will be four wheels multiplied by total vehicle, right? So 4 into 4 multiplied by vehicle total, right? So 4 multiplied by 200 is equal to 800, right? And subtract this by total wheels, so 540, that will be 260, and if you divide by 2, then you will get total two wheelers total two wheelers manufacturing possibility, right? And just if you subtract total two wheelers by from the total vehicle, then you will get total four wheelers, right? I hope you have got the logic, and if you have got the logic, please solve the question by yourself. Don't watch full video and just copy the code, right? Try to solve the problem by yourself first, then otherwise if not possible, then come to watch, right? Okay, let's go to the solution part. Okay, let's start with a scanner is equal to new scanner system dot in, right? And let's take a input of total vehicle is equal to sc dot next int, and total wheels is equal to sc dot next int, right? And let's say we'll take a float value or int value, you can take as well, int value of two wheelers, right? Let's say two wheelers is equal to what I have shown you the formula, that is this, right? 4 multiplied by v 4 multiplied by v minus total wheels divide by 2, right? This will return total two wheels needed, right? And let's check the constants. So these are the constants like 2 less than equal to w, 2 less than equal to w, and in case of Python we could have written only a and d, right? So w is equal w mod 2 is equal to 0, and v less than w, right? V less than w, right? And let's run the logic. So if this satisfy, that means the constants are satisfying, right? So let's just print the value, that is total two wheelers, right? Two wheelers. How was the output format? Two wheelers is equal to this and four wheelers is equal to this. All are capital, right? So two wheelers are what? Two wheelers are actually these, right? And four wheelers, four wheelers, four wheelers are total vehicle, subtract them by total two wheeler, right? So this will return total four wheeler, right? And if this not satisfied, that means the constants are false, then it should be returning the invalid, invalid input, right? Invalid input. So I think this code will be okay. Just run this code so that we can be confirm is this okay or not. Let's run. So the sample input was 200, that is vehicle number, right? So vehicle number 200 and 540 was total wheels, right? So let's see the output. Total two wheeler 130 and four wheeler 70, right? Guys, I am saying that this question was asked not only in this format, but it can be actually reformatted in another form. Like in China, in a curry, there are rats and rabbits, right? Uh, one of them has two legs and one of them has four legs, right? So in curry, there are many heads and uh, many legs, right? So how many rats are there and how many rabbits are there, you have to count that total number of rats present in the curry, right? And you can take same input like this code, right? So I hope you have learned a little in this session and you have enjoyed this session. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel so that I can be motivated to upload video again and again, right? And please watch the playlist regarding this. And if you are an Accenture aspirant, then obviously watch the previous year question playlist as well, right? Thank you.